In my reality videos, you get to ride along with me or one of our professional technicians. You will be able to listen to the customer's conversation, watch the diagnosis, and then watch the actual repair step by step. Let's start off with a quick sample of how you can diagnose a bad thermal fuse in a few seconds.
Except no heat. Oh, looky there. That turns the heat on. That's the thermal limit.
Here you get to see Reed thread a 27-inch dryer one-handed in a matter of seconds. Here's an excellent shot of what you have to do in order to thread that belt with one hand, which is a little tricky. A lot of people can get both hands under there, but here goes Reed doing it one-handed, like a magic trick. Get that thing threaded, get the pattern right, feel the grooves, make sure it's rolling. It's perfect. Look at that. That was really... So this is a noisy Samsung dryer. That's not the usual noise, the squeaking idler assembly. As you will see, as I fix this dryer for a nice little old lady.
First load was fine, second was terrible, huh? Well, let's see if it'll... There it is. Well, that's pretty easy.
Good.
I mean, it's easy to diagnose. You got to take it all apart.
I know.
I got to put a kit in here.
Next, we're going to see Reed, my son, tearing apart a French door refrigerator. This is a Whirlpool with a bottom freezer, and it's all frosted up, and he's got to thaw it all out using his steamer and 1,000 screws to get down to the drain, which is clogged up. Here you get to see how to take all these covers off with their special little hidden tabs that you got to push, pull, snap, and get them apart without breaking anything. All sorts of little tricks here. We show you all the details. And then, of course, see, here's another one. Got to stick the screwdriver just in the right place, pop it loose, and then the cover comes off. Next one, and it goes on and on. And now we show you the steamer. And we use a tea kettle we got on Amazon to melt out the ice. It's very effective. Defrosting a drain on a French door refrigerator is a very popular repair these days, and we go into it in great detail to show you all the steps. I have just shown you a tiny sample of the hundreds of full-length videos covering all modern appliances.